Okay, determinant, properties of determinant. Okay, the first one, determinant AB is equal to determinant A, determinant B. So you can separate these two matrix, determinant of this matrix. Okay, number 2, determinant AB is also the same with determinant AB. Okay, do you remember that AB, is it equal to BA? It's not equal matrix, but the determinant is equal. Okay, how about A to the power of K? K, if let's say K is any number, means any scalar, so it is equal to determinant A to the power of K. For example, we have A to the power of 2. So this one is also equal to determinant A to the power of 2. Okay, number 4. Determinant A plus B. So this one, you can separate determinant A is equal to determinant B. Okay, number 5, C. C, if let's say C is any number, it is a scalar. So for example, let's say your C is 2. You have 2A, let's say 2A. So 2A, this one is equal to 2 to the power determinant A. But here is N. N depends on the matrix. If let's say it is a 3 by 3 matrix, so you have to put to the power of 3. If let's say N by N is a 4 by 4 matrix, then this becomes 4. So it depends on the question. Okay, number 6. If determinant A is not equal to 0, then A inverse will exist, which is A is invertible. If A is equal to 0, then A is singular. Or we say A is not invertible. A is not invertible means A inverse does not exist. Number 7. Okay, what is equal to this determinant? So, determinant A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A. For example, if let's say you have determinant A negative 3, 1 over determinant A to the power of 3. In number 8, determinant of A transpose is equal to determinant A transpose. Determinant A transpose is also equal to determinant A. Okay, how about question is A inverse. Is it equal to 1 over A? Is this equal? Let's say we say the determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A. So is this equal? This is not equal, because this is inverse. Inverse of this matrix, inverse of A, is not equal like if let's say we have x, this is a variable, x to the power of negative 1, or 1 over 2, we can represent 2 negative 1. But this one is not the same. 1 over determinant A is 1 over matrix A is not equal to determinant, the inverse of A. Because this means inverse. It's different. Okay, now we continue with the example. Okay, first, you are given A, it's a 3 by 3 matrix, and determinant is negative 2. Okay, find the following determinants. So, you must remember all the properties. Okay, for A, determinant A to the power of 3 is equal to determinant A to the power of 3. So, determinant A is negative 2 to the power of 3. So, your answer is negative 8. Okay, B. 2A inverse. So 2A inverse is 1 over 2 to the power 2 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 2. Determinant A inverse is A. So 1 over 2 to the power of negative 2. So your answer is, okay. Before that, you have to remember the properties number 5, which is if let's say 2A is 2 determinant A 2 to the power of, if let's say this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so to the power of 3. So same goes with this, 2 to the power of 3. So 1 over 8 negative 2 negative 1 over 16. Okay, dia senang sahaja. If let's say ini adalah nombor. Kalau nombor nak keluarkan daripada penjara, you just have to multiply dengan kuasa matrik tu, kuasa N. If let's say yang ni determinant matrik tu, so just ambil lah, which is ni. So if let's say nak keluarkan daripada penjara, then kena kuasa. Okay, kita continue with D. Let's say 3. We nak keluarkan daripada penjara, so 3 to the power of 3. Determinant A transpose is equal to A. So 3 to the power of 3, 27 times negative 2, negative 54. Okay, C. Okay, how about C? If let's say, okay, for C, A to the power of negative 3, so A 1 determinant of 3. So 1 over negative 2, 3, negative 1 over 8. Okay, try to find E and F first. Okay, now if let's say we have two matrices A and B. Okay, determinant AB is also equal to determinant BA, or we can separate determinant A, determinant B. So your answer is negative 2 times 7, negative 14. Okay, B. A to the power of 3, B. So this one is also equal to this. So A to the power of 3, negative 2 times 3. This one is also like determinant A to the power of 3. Yeah? So negative 3 and then times with 7. So 8 times 7 you get 56. Okay, how about C? Determinant A, determinant B, determinant 1 over determinant A. So you can straight away cancel it off. So your answer is determinant B. So which is 7. Okay, try to solve for D, E, and F. Okay, we continue with question number 3. We are given A and B. Okay, with determinant A versus B transpose. So this is 1 over determinant A. Determinant of BT is equal to the determinant of B. So this one is equal to negative 2. So we have determinant A is equal to 3. So 1 over 3, determinant B is equal to negative 2. So determinant B is equal to negative 6. Okay, try to solve for question number 4.